Hello everyone, I am Kadam Kes from Asia College Karad. In a previous lecture we have studied maximization type of examples LPP problems. My next problem is of a minimization type. Solve the following LPP by graphical method. Minimize z equal to 7x plus 5y subject to 5x plus y greater than or equal to 5, x plus y greater than or equal to 3, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. First of all, let us prepare a table in equation. First in equation is 5x plus y greater than or equal to 5. Corresponding equation is 5x plus y equal to 5. Put y equal to 0, x is 1. Put x equal to 0, y is 5. Therefore, point A is 1, 0 and point B is 0, 5. Sign. Here sign is greater than or equal to 0. Sign is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the region is non-origin side. Put 0, 0 in this inequalities. 0 plus 0 is not greater than or equal to 5. Therefore, non-origin side is shaded region. Non-origin side. Next inequality is 5x x plus y greater than or equal to 3. Corresponding equality is x plus y equal to 3. Put y equal to 0, x equal to 3. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Therefore, the points are C point 30 and D point 03. Inequality is greater than or equal to, and the shaded region is non-origin side. Next is non-negativity constraints. X greater than or equal to 0 and next y greater than or equal to 0. Corresponding equation x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 is y-axis, is a line y-axis, and y equal to 0 means x-axis. X greater than or equal to 0 means shaded region is right side of y-axis, and y greater than equal to 0 or equal to 0 means x-axis, and shaded region is above the x-axis. Above the x-axis. Therefore, first of all, draw x-axis. Y-axis is origin. First line is 5x plus y equal to 5. This line passing through the point A and B. Coordinate of A is 1, 0. Coordinate of B is 0, 5. Equation of this line is 5x plus y equal to 5. Shaded region is non-origin side. Here A point is 1, 0 and B point is 0, 5. Next line is x plus y equal to 3. C and D are the points on this line. Coordinate of C is 3, 0 and coordinate of D is 0, 3. Therefore, the line is like this. Equation of this line is x plus y equal to 3. C point 30 and D point 03. D point 03. The shaded region of this line is is non-origin side, and therefore the common shaded region is x greater than equal to 0 means shaded region is right side of y-axis, and y greater than or equal to 0 shaded region is above them. Therefore this region is common shaded region. And vertices are this vertex, and this A, E. Call this vertex as vertex H. Therefore, the common shaded region is visible region. Therefore, its vertices are B 0, 5, E 1 upon 2, 5 upon 2, and C 3, 0 and C 3, 0. Here E is the point of intersection of these two lines. Solving these two lines simultaneously, therefore the values of x and y are given. Solving these two equations, therefore the coordinates of E are 1 upon 2, 5 upon 2. Therefore, the corner points of visible region are B, E and C. Corner points B, coordinate of B is 0, 5, E, 1 upon 2, 5 upon 2 and C, 3, 0. And objective function is 7x plus y. 7x plus y. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 5 in this objective function. Therefore, x equal to 0 and y equal to 5. Therefore, z equal to 5. Put x equal to x equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to 5 upon 2 in this equation. Therefore, the value of z is 6. And put x equal to 3 and y equal to 0 in this objective function, z equal to 21. Therefore, here the problem is of minimization type, and minimum value of z is 5. Therefore, minimum value of z equal to 5 at 0, 5. That is when x equal to 0, y equal to 5 is the solution of LP. Next example is minimize z equal to 6x plus 21y subject to x plus 2y greater than or equal to 3, x plus 4y greater than or equal to 4, 3x plus y greater than or equal to 3, x greater than 0, comma, y greater than 0. This example is of minimization type. First inequality is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 3. Corresponding equality is x plus 2y equal to 3. Put y equal to 0, x equal to 3. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 3 upon 2. Therefore, the points are A point 30 and B point 03 by 2. Sign of this inequality is greater than or equal to, and region is, put here x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. 0 plus 0, 0 is not greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the common shaded region is non-origin side. Next inequality is x plus 4y greater than or equal to 4. Corresponding equality is x plus 4y equal to 4. Here put y equal to 0, x equal to 4, and put x equal to 0, y is 1. Therefore, the points are C point 40 and D point 01. Sign of inequality is greater than or equal to. Here put x and y equal to 0. 0 is not greater than or equal to. Therefore, the shaded region is non-origin side. Non-origin side. Third inequality is 3x plus y. 3x plus y greater than or equal to 3. Corresponding equality is 3x plus y equal to 3. Put y equal to 0, x equal to 1. Put x equal to 0, y is 3. Therefore, the points are E point 1, 0 and F point 0, 3. Sign is greater than or equal to, and shaded region is non-origin side. And last, non-negativity restrictions are x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Corresponding equality x equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 0 means y axis and y equal to 0 means x axis. X greater than or equal to 0, the shaded region is right side of y axis, and y greater than or equal to 0, shaded region is above the x axis. Above the x axis. Let us see graph. First of all, draw x axis, y axis. O is the origin. First line is x plus 2y equal to 3. A and B are the points on this line. Therefore, A point 3 by 2 and 3, 0 and B point is 0, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.2. And therefore, first line is A point 30, B point 03 by 2. Equation of line is x plus 2y equal to 3. X plus 2y equal to 3. And shaded region is non-origin side. Next line is x plus 4y equal to 4. This line C and D are the points on this line. Coordinates of C is 4, 0 and D is 0, 1. Therefore, C 4, 0 and D 0 1. Equation of this line is x plus 4y equal to 4 and shaded region is non-origin side. Next line is 3x plus y equal to 3. E and F are the points on this line. Coordinate of E is 1 0 and F is 0 3. F is 0 3. Equation of this line is 3x plus y equal to 3. E point 1 0 and F point 0 3. Shaded region of this line is non-origin side. Therefore, the common shaded region of these three lines is under non-negativity restriction. Here x greater than or equal to 0 means shaded region is right side of y-axis. Right side of y-axis, and y greater than or equal to 0 means shaded region is above the x-axis. Right side of y-axis and above the x-axis means shaded region is in a first quadrant. Therefore, this region is common shaded region of all constraints and non-negativity restrictions. And the corner points are this. F point, suppose G point, H point. C point, G point, H point, F point are the corner points of this visible region. The common shaded region is visible region its vertices are C 4 0 G 2 1 upon 2 H 3 by 5 6 by 5 and F 0 3 and F 0 3. C 4 0 G 2 1 by 2 H 3 by 2 6 by 5 F 0 3. G is the point of intersection. G is the point of intersection of lines x plus 2y equal to 3 and x plus 4y equal to 4. Therefore, solving these two equations simultaneously and the coordinates of G are 2 1 upon 2. Similarly, H is the point of intersection of lines 3x plus y equal to 3 and x plus 2y equal to 3. Again solving these two equations simultaneously and therefore coordinate of H are 3 by 5, 6 by 5. Next step is corner points. And objective function is 6x plus 21y. Here corner points of this visible region are C 4 0 G 2 1 upon 2 H 3 by 5 6 upon 5 and F 0 3. Put point C in this equation, put x equal to 4, y equal to 0, therefore z equal to 24. Next, put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 upon 2, therefore z equal to 45 upon 2, that means 22.5. Value of z is 22.5. Put x equal to 3 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5 in this objective function, and therefore z equal to 144 upon 5. 144 upon 5 means 28.8. And last, put x equal to 0 and y equal to 3. Therefore, z equal to 63. Therefore, z equal to 63. Here the problem is of minimization type, and therefore the value of z is minimum at 22.5 at the point 2 1 upon 2. Therefore minimum value of z equal to 22.5 at the point 2, 1 upon 2 is the solution of this LPP. Minimum value of z is 45 upon 2, that means 22.5 at the point G to 1 upon 2. In the LP problem, the LP problem is given in verbal form. Verbal form means शाब्दिक उदाहरण असेल. Then formulate it first. म्हणजे ते शाब्दिक उदाहरण अगोदर तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युलेट करावं लागेल, and then by using corner point method solve this example. Hope you have understood this lecture. Thank you.